Welcome to FRSR, Colorado's premier outdoor living company. From custom landscapes to outdoor spaces built for every season, we design, build, and bring Colorado homes to life. Our landscape team focuses on craftsmanship and detail, from grading and drainage to planting and stonework. Every design is built for lasting beauty and low maintenance in Colorado's unique climate. Coloradoscaping is our modern approach to water-wise design. Using native plants, rock, and contouring, we create spaces that thrive naturally, saving water while celebrating the beauty of the Front Range. FRSR's stamped concrete patios and walkways combine artistry and structure. Each surface is customized with patterns, highlights, and textures, built to withstand Colorado's weather and enhance your outdoor design. Our artificial turf systems from Field Turf deliver year-round green with zero watering, mowing, or mud. It's durable, pet-friendly, and perfectly tailored for your space. From pergolas and roof covers to outdoor kitchens, lighting, and fire features, FRSR builds complete outdoor living environments that redefine Colorado comfort and style. As proud members of local chambers of commerce and the Colorado business community, FRSR is built on relationships, reputation, and trust. Design, build, enjoy. FRSR, Colorado's premier outdoor living company.